Hi.
Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh, the lights are so professional. I feel so alive. Oh, my name is Didi Wexler. How y'all doing?
So tell me about yourself, Didi.
Oh, well, I'm from the South, and I love cats. Here's one on my shirt. It kind of looks like mine, Chip, or as we call him, Chipped and Hook.
And what do you do, Didi?
Oh, I play ukulele on the side. Want to hear? Also, you like my socks? It's catified.
Can you turn any song into a cat song?
Yes.
Any?
Yes. What is that one Shawn Mendes song?
No, it's...
Is it called Margaritas? They call me Mrs. Meow. I know I am walking down the catway. I'm gonna take you down to the old cat road. So this is from my idol, Tay Swift. You need to cat down. You need to slow down.
Where is Chip? Chip? Is that his name?
Chip! 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 Get your ass! Chip! Get your... Well, isn't he just a doll? Better than a doll.
So how did you get Chip?
I was walking down the street, and then I saw this little furry guy, and I said I had to get him. Oh, I had to. I had a net in the back of my pickup truck, and I just went ahead and I grabbed him. We became best friends ever since. Excuse me. So this is Chip. Meow, 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 meow. This is stylish. This is in. Okay? Now, Chip right now is in feeding hour, so I can't disturb him at this time. But this is how it's like when I'm out in public with all the other mothers and all the other little babies, and I have this. It's a good time. The secret language of cats. I'm on chapter cat sense. Smell and taste. Yeah, that's about it. Well, anyways, my name's Didi. You can catch me on the gram. Yeah. Oh, yes, on the gram, yes. It's Didi Wexler. Exclamation point. Also, I have this pop socket, the best invention ever.
Do you have any hobbies outside of cats?
Yes, I babysit them.
Do you... I meant more like, do you go to the movies?
Well, my favorite movie is Garfield, if that's what you're asking me. I want to show you something. I have some other cat shirts that I want to show you. Follow me. Come on now, follow me. I got a lot, so don't look at my behind now. So this is one of my all-time favorites. It says meow. Oh, and just like my tote bag, it's on my shirt. Are you ready for this one? Now, as you can see, I'm going to wear all my cat shirts underneath these. But this one says, for the homies. Oh, man. I'm getting sweaty up in here. There's a lot going on in here. You're freaking me out. You're freaking me out. You're freaking me out. Stop it with the camera. Oh, snap cat. Snap cat. Snappity nappy nappy cat. All right. It's a little hot. What's going down in Didi's closet? All right. Snap cat. How much longer, camera guy? I can't take this anymore. I know it's not Christmas yet, but here it is. Bam! Catitude. Now with my Christmas sweater, I like to wear this. Here it is. He hears it. Oh, he hears it like a... Come on, boy. Get the camera in there. Get the camera in there. This is how it is being a cat. It's a lot of work. Now, for the finale, I got something that you guys have been waiting for. Alright, so skip to the commercial break because I got the last shirt on here is mighty fine, let me tell you. Trust me. Chip, help me. Almost there, I swear. I hate to ruin my hair for this. I done did it for the cameras. Trust me, just give me 1 second. All right, y'all ready for this? Y'all ain't ready for this because I'm ready for it. Hold on. Okay. Hold on, look at the revealing part. This is the finale. Look at all them fellas. I took all these cats' photos. That's right. And I put them on a shirt. That was a lot of work. Am I getting paid for this?
You're gonna get featured in a shout out online, but you're not getting paid.
Excuse me, what? I'm not getting paid?
Thank you, Didi, for your time. This was fun.
This was a perfect good time, isn't that right? All right, well, thank you for coming to my crib, as they call it on MTV. All right, now.
Well, this is just going online.
All right.
But yeah, thank you, Didi.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
Thank you. Such a pleasure. Chip, come say goodbye now. He don't want to say goodbye. Bye.
Okay, so I'm not exactly sure what we just experienced, but guess that's the internet for you folks.
That's me, that's Chip, and that's my guitar.